30s is the right age, can do settle like that. What's up, baby boy? Gracias. What if I am 39? What if I'm 30? Yeah, I am 39. Thank you. Gracias, FH. What if? Really? I'm just asking you. What if? Waiting for you. You. How are you, FH? I'm cute. Thank you. What that means?
Maya sa mga limited edition nila na mga eyeshadow. Ayan ate, smoke out lang natin siya dyan. Gawa ka ng illusion para ma-define. Sige tayo ng tong shade na to yung gagamitin ko. Hindi ko lang kung anong shade to. Yan, nilalagay natin. Maliwanag lang masyado yung ilaw ko, pero in person, meron na yung pagka-dark din. Lagay ko lang yung same shade dito sa may lower lash. Ito ang magandang eyeliner ate. Very slanted ng dati. Very precise. Talaga magagawa mo yung gusto mong tongkit. Ang liit niya din, pwede mong gawin ito. Ayan. Kung hindi ka marunong eyeliner, ganyan-ganyan yun muna. Then, ganyan yung atake ng eyeliner ng nasa video. Ate, lagay na tayo nitong mga gamit na gamit kong mga lashes dyan. Here are the lashes we... Ito yung mascara na lagi kong ginagamit kapag umaalis ako. Kasi alam niyo na yan. Yan yung nagawa niya sa lower lash ko. Gay din tayo ng pinangan dito sa part na to. Here. Yan, ganyan dapat ang atake. Pag matte highlighter lang din tayo para mas umangat yung gitna ng face natin. Lang din. Sa nurse. Sa baba, at saka dito. Tignan mo naman yung nagawa niya.
What's the missing word?
Pastel Glow Blush from EB, particularly itong shade na to actually, ilagay lang natin as our blush. Very, very, very light lang. Plan natin na mabuti sa ating bronzer para smooth lang ang translation. Translation! Setting spray na ate. Ito yung setting spray na nakaka-glow. Para mas kuminang din, gamitin natin itong From Lovely Cosmetics. Ooh.
Hey,
Diba?
Mario.
Ito yung basang-basa lang yung effect. Oh, dito lang doon. Liner lang dites at dites. Easy Hydra Plus in the shade Fudge. Shall be, oo. Shade na ka-shade talaga. Finalize na natin, B. She's confident. Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. She's confident. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. She's confident. Oh, no, no.
Ano ba? Beauty, flower, paano ba i-explain sa English? Flower can do, to, wait, ano ba yung English ng maakit? To pleasant, to get eye pleasant? Eye pleasant? Eye pleasant? Charot. Hey, Michael. Hey, Albert. Nice to meet you. Is it that girl? Hala, ang daming viewers. Why so many viewers, ha? Yeah. Guys, I'm near to go and live. I'm near to end live. Thank you, Eva Jane. Oh my god. Oh, yes, Jimmy, you just know. You finished. Yeah. Because it's already late here. It's 11 p.m. Thank you. Yay, thank you. I reached 4 stars. Thank you, guys. Dear Clyde, thank you for giving me a gift and staying here. And also FHHHH. And then thank you. Kisses, mabuhay. Is it bad, girl? Things I done. 18 hours ahead, I see. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you. Tama na. Ay, tama na. Thanks again for all your time. Bad girl. Things I done. 18 hours ahead, I see. Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you. Tama na. Ay, tama na. Thanks again for all your time.